In this video, I will show you how to update Instagram on Android. Firstly, when you take up on that selection, simply you're getting off from your Instagram, you need to go on your Play Store, and right here on the search box on your upper side, you need simply to tap on it and then type for Instagram. Just go on that selection, go on the first side selection, and now as you can see on my right side selection with the green light section, I have an option which is called update. That means that I have not the getting full session for the latest version on Instagram, and this is why the Play Store has given me a chance to update it and get the latest version of Instagram. Just go update, and then as you can see, first you have pending, needs to be verified by Play Protect, which is the most safest way to take up, download, update or delete applications on Google Play Store. Now here you need to wait to the full session on this selection. As you can see, now everything has been installed. The new features are available on the latest version of Instagram, which we have it right now.